Fixer family, it's Charmin, and on today's video I'm going to share with you how to make some super cute no-sew patriotic pillows and a table runner with bandanas and a little bit of burlap. Welcome to Fixin' 2. Guys, I am so excited to be bringing you today's projects. These are going to be so easy, so simple to do. If you can tie a knot and if you can put some double-sided tape on a piece of fabric, then you can make these projects. So without further ado, no waiting around, let's get into today's project. Here's what we need for the first project. We're going to be needing 3 different size star cutouts. I just used cardstock paper. You can use any type of star. You'll need a burlap runner, and you can get these relatively inexpensive at Hobby Lobby. You'll need the red, white, and blue bandanas. I'll make sure that I link that down in the description box below where I got those. And you'll need this double-sided tape. This is from the new Crafter's Corner or Crafter's Square at Dollar Tree, and of course some scissors. And of course you'll also need something to trace your stars with. So the first thing we're going to do is make sure that our bandana is folded into a 1/4, and we're going to just place our stars on this side, just kind of the best way that you can, making sure that they all fit. And once you get them placed on your bandana where they'll all fit together, then we're just going to go in and trace each star. Once we have them all traced on the blue, white, and the red, then we're just going to begin to cut them out. And again, when you're have them in 4ths, then you'll be cutting out 4 of each size in each color. Now, I didn't use all of these stars, but you can have them just depending on how long your runner is. Mine wasn't that long, so didn't have to use all of them. So now that we've got them all cut out, we're ready to take our double-sided tape. Now you can use any kind of double-sided tape that you want to, and the reason that I'm using tape is because I didn't want this to be something permanent. I can take these off when I'm done with this holiday and just have my plain burlap runner. So now I'm just going to take different colors, different sizes, just lay out a pattern the way that I want it to look. And as I always tell you guys, make it your own, do what you like, how you like it. You can add less stars, more stars, straight lines, it doesn't really matter. Just lay them out exactly how you want them to look. Now that I have my pattern, I'm ready to begin putting on my tape. Now I use, of course, like I said, this double-sided tape, and I'm just going to cut off pieces big enough to fit right in each point of the star. So basically it will be 5 pieces per star. And I still have a ton of this stuff left over after I did this whole runner. So once you get them placed down, and then of course you're going to peel that little backing off of it. It was a little difficult to begin with, but I finally got it and figured it out. And pulling all of those off and then just laying it on there, and it stuck great. So I am really excited about this. And it turned out amazing. I love the way that this looks. I'm using this in my eating kitchen area, and it is so festive, and using one of my centerpieces from what I did last week. I'll make sure that I link that in the iCards above for you. If you missed that video, definitely go and check that out. Wanted to jump in here super quick in between these projects to share with you something that's so awesome that I just recently realized that June the 1st was my 2-year YouTube anniversary, or as they call it, the YouTube-versary. I'm so excited. I was like, oh my goodness, I cannot believe that it has been 2 years since I've been doing this. And my husband was like, honey, if this is something that you have been loving and so passionate about, that is why it has gone by so super quick. And I'm so excited to be on here doing what I'm doing, sharing with you these fun projects, and also a little bit of my family trips and things that we do when we travel and camp and stuff like that. So thank you guys for coming along and being a part of the Fixer family. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure that you hit that subscribe button so that you'll be notified each time I upload new videos. And also make sure that you hit that notification bell that's right next to it. When you click on the bell, you'll want to click all, and that way you'll be notified every time I upload new videos, post on the community tab, go live, do all kinds of things here on the channel. So now let's get into the next project. Now guys, this is super simple. No-sew pillow covers. I'm using my outdoor pillow, and I'm going to take 2 of my bandanas, the same color. You can also do opposite colors on either side. It's up to you. But I took the 2 of the same color, and I'm gonna lay one of them out all the way, taking my pillow and placing it right in the center. And because of what the technique I'm using, I'm going to take each corner and I'm going to tuck them in and tuck them down in there to where it's kind of rounded off. It will make a little bit different shape pillow, but they turn out super cute, and like I said, super simple. And we're going to, of course, turn it over and do the other side as well. And then once we get those pushed down in there, then we're ready to move to the next step. Alright, so now we've got our pillow ready, and we're going to take our second bandana and we're going to place it on top, getting it as centered as we can, kind of eyeballing that. And then guys, all we're going to do is we are going to take and we are going to tie each corner into a knot. A very simple knot, tying all 4 corners and getting that super tight and secure. Once we have it done, you'll see it looks kind of baggy. Just wait. We're going to take each side, all 4 sides of this little pillow, and we're going to take the top one and kind of tuck it over the back, kind of turning in the bottom one and turning over the top one, if that makes sense. I hope you can kind of see with what I'm doing in the video here. And with tucking each side, you're also going to take your 4 corners and you'll be tucking your knot. And you make these cute pillows. I mean, they were so easy to make. And just by tucking them over, you've got cute, festive pillows. Now, I'm going to also show you a smaller pillow. Now, guys, if you recognize this pillow, this was a no-sew pillow I did a while back. I'll make sure I link this up in the iCards above for you. But I'm going to take and show you that you do the exact same technique. Now, you know, tucking in your corners and then tying your corners together. It is a little bit bigger, the cover is, but you just have to kind of work it and tucking the sides
and it works just the same. And you're just going to do a little bit more tucking and a little bit more fixing on them, but they turn out so cute. I love this project. Didn't it turn out so festive? Guys, make sure you stay till the end of this video. I have a super special announcement for you, some information and an announcement that I think you will want to hear. So don't forget to hang out until the very end.
Were so fun to make, and like I said in the opener, if you can tie a knot and if you can stick some double-sided tape on some fabric, these projects are so simple and so easy to make and very inexpensive. And again, and I will make sure that I link down in the description box below for you where I got my bandanas. It was a set of 12, red, white, and blue, and super inexpensive off of Amazon. So, and they come really quick, so you guys can make these projects for your 4th of July celebration. Guys, know that I love you so, so much. And again, I'm so appreciative for each and every one of you that has joined the Fixer family. And I am going to do something super special. I haven't come up with all of the details of it just yet, but on my 1-year anniversary, I did a small giveaway, and I want to do that again. I want to be able to give something back to one of you. I know I wish I could give something to everybody, but I want to do a giveaway, and I will be sharing the details a little bit later on in my community tab. So make sure that the little bell's rung so that you get notified as soon as I put that information in my community tab on how to enter yourself in to a fun giveaway, and with all the details of what I'll be giving away and all the goodies. So you guys be blessed. Know that I love you, and always remember to keep looking up, because that's where it all is. I'll see you on the next video.